Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing 10 cleaning hacks and tips that will hopefully make your life a little bit easier. I love discovering new tips, especially when it comes to keeping the house clean. So I thought I could share a few cleaning hacks that I love. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll just get straight into the tips. So the first tip is to clean your blinds with tumble dryer sheets. So this is such a good hack. So the tumble dryer sheets really collect all the dust on the blind. Instead of dusting and you've seen the dust fly everywhere, the dust really sticks to the static of the tumble dryer sheet, and they also smell lovely. And you don't have to buy expensive ones, you can buy like cheaper versions of them. They do exactly the same job of dusting the blinds. They're ready to go as well, you haven't got to use any other products with them or wet them, and they smell really nice. So the dust actually sticks to the tumble dryer sheet and supposedly it repels the dust from settling so quickly again afterwards. And because tumble dryer sheets are like thin and small, it's really easy to get in between each blind. So that really is a great tip. If you haven't tried it before, I'd highly recommend you to try dusting your blinds with the tumble dryer sheets. So number 2 is a bleach hack that I saw on TikTok to remove like stubborn mold stains on your grout in your bathroom. So I don't know about you, but when I ever use like a mold and mildew spray, it never really seems to get all the mold off the grout. So I saw this hack and I thought, amazing, I'm gonna try it out. So you basically put the bleach onto the edges of where the mold is on the grout, and then you get some kitchen roll and roll it up, and then you kind of stick that into where you put the bleach and where the mold is, and then leave it overnight, and then in the morning when you peel the paper towel away, it should have bleached the grout back to white. So it did a really good job actually of removing quite a lot of the mold that I haven't been able to get off with a mold and mildew spray. It didn't get every bit of mold off completely, but it does look a lot better. I have since read online though that it isn't recommended by professional cleaners because apparently it can damage the grout and make it crumble like over time, I think that is. So I think maybe using it the odd time is okay. I initially thought I'll use it for like 1 or 2 times to get it back to white, and then I'll keep up cleaning it with a mold and mildew spray. I've seen the Dettol one is well recommended, so I've just bought that today to give that a go. So yeah, if you've got some stubborn marks, I would say it's quite a good tip to do overnight and then just keep on top of cleaning it regularly. And my third tip is to get a handheld hoover. So if you like to keep your house clean, or maybe you're a bit lazy and you're not really into cleaning but you like it to look clean when people come round, a handheld hoover is the best thing. So I use mine all the time. So I've got the Shark one, I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but it's really powerful. It's so easy to clean small places. I find it really good in the bathroom, especially because a lot of my hair ends up on the floor when I'm washing it and brushing it. It's great for any high up, awkward to reach corners, to get like cobwebs down, any crumbs that are spilled on like the kitchen side or the floor. It's just so quick and easy to hoover up. It's really good in the car as well, and because they're cordless, it's really easy on the stairs. It comes with a couple of attachments for different uses. Yeah, the stairs is great for it as well if you just want to quickly go over it. Of course it doesn't give a deep clean, but sometimes instead of dusting I might use the handheld hoover instead, because I find it really satisfying as well to see how much it's collected in the clear part where you can see all the dust that you've picked up. I'd say you've just got to remember to keep it on charge when you finished using it. The one I have lasts quite a while. I would just say if you're looking into buying one, just read the reviews and make sure you get quite a powerful one. I have had one previously that wasn't very good, so it's definitely worth investing in getting a powerful one. We also take it to the caravan as well, and of course you don't want to be carrying like a big hoover in your car, but a handheld one is great just for cleaning the caravan floor and things like that. And tip number 4 is to keep a dishmatic in your bathroom. So this is a dishmatic, if you don't know what it is. Basically a washing up sponge with a handle on it, and you unclip the end and then you just fill it with washing up liquid or whatever it is you want to use. I've seen so many people have them in the bathrooms and fill it with all sorts of things. So you could fill it with a bathroom cleaner. A very popular one to fill it with is half like washing up liquid and then half with white vinegar, and then if you can just keep it in your shower, and then when you're in the shower you can just clean the towels and clean around the bath, and it just keeps it looking really shiny, stops the mold building, means you don't have to do a deep clean every once in a while or really be scrubbing it once a week. So I'm definitely going to be keeping one of these in my bathroom. You could also fill it with like a Siff cleaner. I really like the smell of those. Yeah, all sorts, but I thought that would be really handy to keep in the shower, and when I'm stood there sometimes I can just be like scrubbing away. So number 5 is to use the Siff cream cleaner on doors in the home to get any marks off. So just a bit of Siff cleaner with a clean cloth is really good to get any stubborn marks off like white doors, so like your bedroom, your living room doors, things like that. It really brings them up clean. It's also great for kitchen cupboards, and it's got like a lovely fresh smell to it. I would recommend using the original one though, not the yellow one, because I think that has bleach in. Yeah, just the original Siff cream cleaner is a very versatile cleaning product, and you can use it on all sorts of things in the home, radiators. So yeah, really love that as a good stain remover. So number 6 is to clean your skirting boards with fabric conditioner mixed with a bit of warm water. But before you do that, you do want to give them a good dust really. So you want to fill a bowl with like warm water, put a cap full of fabric conditioner into the water, and then soak a clean cloth, and then you can run along the skirting boards with the cloth that's got all the fabric conditioner on it, and it just leaves a really nice smell, again supposedly repelling the dust from settling again so quickly. You can also use it on like your windowsills, your radiators, and it just smells so lovely and fresh. I've also seen people fill dishmatics with a fabric conditioner and going along the skirting boards. But number 7 is a great tip to make your kitchen smell lovely, and it's just cleaning all your cloths into Flora overnight. So you just want to put the plug in your sink, put your cloths in, maybe put 1 to 2 capfuls of your favourite Zaflora in the sink, and then you can either use warm to hot water or boiling water. So I tend to use boiling water, pour it over the cloths, and then the smell that comes off them is so strong and nice, and when you come down in the morning it just smells gorgeous. And then also when you rinse your cloths out, they smell so nice and fresh, and like they could just clean your whole house with this lovely smell. So I definitely recommend that. And like Zaflora, you can pick so many different scents. There's definitely one for everyone, and it just smells so good. So definitely give it a go if you haven't before, and your kitchen will smell lovely. And tip number 8 is a little trick to get the orange stains out of your Tupperware. And all you need to do is add some washing up liquid to the Tupperware, then add some warm water and tear a few pieces of kitchen roll off and add that into the Tupperware with the warm water. Then you want to pop the lid on with everything inside and give it a really good shake for about 45 seconds to a minute. Wash out as usual, and your orange stains will be gone. This is something I discovered recently and thought was a really cool hack. Also, if you do give any of these hacks a go, I would love to know in the comments, and if you have any of your own as well, I would love to hear them. So tip number 9 is to line your oven with oven liners, and you can also do this with your fridge as well. So you can get fridge liners that come in all different colours. I just have basic black oven liner in the bottom of my oven. They often come on a roll and you can cut them to size, and so any bits of fat or food that drips off the trays in the oven won't leave really hard crusted on marks in your oven, making it really difficult to clean. You can just take the oven liner out, dispose of it, and then put a clean oven liner back in, and it just keeps your oven looking like new. And again, the same in the fridge, just so it's much easier to clean. You can just take the liners out, clean those, and pop the liners back in. That's a great tip to save you time and effort of cleaning your oven and your fridge. And number 10 is those little magic erasers. Are great for so many things. These have got my trainers back to being really white again. I've been able to get marks off paint with them. So long as you've got durable paint on your walls, some paint it will take off, but if you've got like a white clean paint, the magic erasers are great. They look like a white sponge, and you can cut them off into different sizes, add a little bit of water, and you've got this like miracle cleaning paste. They're great for cleaning a lot of things, and at first I didn't really get it because it just looks like a plain white cloth, but there's something in it when you add water to it. It's really good at removing like dirty marks on things. So that is the end of the cleaning hacks and tips video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I would love it if you could give it a big like and consider subscribing to the channel. I would love for you to stick around, and I will see you on Monday at 7 for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye!